Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So now what we are trying to do here, so we are able to successfully one second, let me delete this one so that you can able to understand it clearly. Yeah, we are able to successfully save this access token into the cookie. Now what we need to do it is, for example, if you want to get the current profile details or the current user details, so how you can able to get it. For example, let's say that the user has been successfully signed in. Okay, you are able to see signed in. So now I want to get the logged in details. So how you can get it? Let's try to implement the route for this one. For this, let's go to the auth controller, and here I will be writing async get current user. Current user means nothing but logged in user. And here you will be having the request, which is of type request, and also the response, which is of type response. Also the last one is the next function. Okay, so this is the get current user. Now here what you will try to do, here you will try to send the response dot status of status codes dot OK, and you will be sending the JSON, and here you will be sending the message current user details. So current user details, and you will send the data. So here you need to send the current user, so that current user it should be present in the request. So here request dot current user. Okay, why? Because in this request only you will be having the access token. So using that access token only you need to send the current user. So how you can send this one, or otherwise what you can do here, one thing is, so what we can do, so how you can do it, one method what you can do it is the constant access token. So we need to do these all the things instead of doing it here. So we need to get the access token. So here we need to get the access token and verify the access token, and extract the user details from access token. Okay, so these are the things. So for getting the access token, what we can do it is, so first get the access token, constant access token is equal to request dot, it will be present in the cookies dot access token. So it will be present in the access token. So here it may present or it may not present. Cookies dot access token. So if it is not present means, so what you can do, if not of access token, so just I am writing it here just to try to show you. If not of access token, then you will throw new bad request exception, please provide the token. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to verify. So now the access token is there. Next we need to verify the token. So how we can verify the token? If you try to check the JWT, let's go to the JWT here. So refreshing the JWTs and all those things, yeah, here. So now here verify, so we are verifying the token. So in order to verify the token, we need to use the verify. So for verification we need to use the verify. So let's try to use the verify thing. So here constant user is equal to what you can do it here, JWT dot verify, JWT, okay, this should be imported, import JWT from JSON web token. Okay, so now here what you can do it is JWT dot verify. So you have a verify option, and what you need to verify, the access token which you got it from the cookie, and also you need to provide the process dot env dot jwt underscore secret. So you need to provide this secret also. So now we need to keep a bang operator. Now we will get the user details. So this user details you can pass it directly to here. Okay, so let's try to see whether we can able to get this one or not. Let's try to run it, and here, so I will be creating a new request, add a request. Okay, and here this one will be same thing, auth/me, and here I will be using the me. So that means nothing but current user details, get request, and this is all one and the same only. Let's try to check it. Let's go to the code here. Now what we need to do, let's go to the auth.routes.ts file, and here we need to have a get user and the me get profile details, and here you can use get current user. That's it. So let's go here and implement the code. Now if you try to check the output for this one, let's try to click on the get. So here connection is refused. Let's try to wait for some time. Maybe the server is restarting, I think. See here, you will be able to get the current user details. So now whenever the user is logged in, we have a cookie, and we are taking the access token and we are checking whether the token is present or not, and we are trying to do it. So that is the process which we are trying to do it. But now here getting current user, so we are limiting to a particular URL. For example, let's say that we are having another URL, something like post data or something like that. So we need to get the current user details. So we need to repeat the process this again. So we need to completely repeat this process. So for example, let's say that update cart or something like that, update the job or something we are having. So in order to update the job, we need to get the current user ID. So user ID you will be able to get in the access token only. So instead of writing this entire code, so why can't we add it in the middleware, so that whenever we can make it available in the request.current user, so that wherever you will be able to want this in the controller directly, if you want to access it with the request.current user means, then we can able to access the current user details. So at the time of getting the request only, before hitting this request, so before hitting this controller method, first we need to parse this all access token and we will store it in the request.current user, so that we can able to access it wherever we want it. So let's try to implement this one in the next video, so that we will create a middleware and we will try to implement this one. So let's try to do it in the next video. So hope you understood about this concept, what I was trying to do it. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, I will be providing this GitHub repository URL in the description below. So for referring this code, you can refer to that one. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.